At number 1, we have the XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool. This game changer features an extendable handle and a pivoting head to reach any spot without straining your back. Its high-quality microfiber pads effortlessly wipe away dust and smudges for a perfect, streak-free finish every time. It's so versatile, it's perfect for your car's exterior and even your home windows too. This top-selling durable kit comes with washable pads. It's the value and performance you've been looking for.
At number 2, we have the AstroAI 21 Windshield Cleaner Tool. Its 21-inch extendable handle and 180-degree rotating head reach every tight spot, wiping away fog and dirt without streaks.
At number 3, we have the Hiware all-purpose shower squeegee for shower doors. This stainless steel tool is a bestseller for a reason, delivering streak-free cleaning on any glass surface. Its 10-inch blade glides smoothly, while the durable handle provides a comfortable grip for every job. Thousands of buyers love its rust-resistant quality and easy storage. It's simple, effective, and keeps your glass sparkling. At number 4, we have the all-purpose stainless steel shower squeegee with adhesive hooks. This 10-inch stainless steel squeegee includes adhesive hooks for easy, stylish mounting. It delivers streak-free results on shower glass and mirrors, wiping away moisture with ease. Great for cars too. Its sturdy, rust-proof construction ensures long-lasting daily performance.
At number 5, we have the MR.SIGA multi-purpose silicone squeegee for window. This heavy-duty silicone squeegee is favored for its flexibility and effectiveness on interior glass, showers, car windshields, and more. The 10-inch blade provides streak-free wiping, and the included suction hook makes storage simple. It's an affordable, reliable tool that outperforms basic options for interior detailing.
At number 6, we have the Sprayway Glass Cleaner Foaming Aerosol Spray. This consistent top seller's ammonia-free foaming formula is excellent for interior glass, mirrors, and car windows. It quickly cuts through fingerprints, dust, and grime while polishing to a streak-free shine with a fresh scent. Reviewers love its fast action, no residue finish, and suitability for both your home and car. The aerosol format ensures even coverage, making it a must-have companion for your cleaning tools.
At number 7, we have the Windex Original Glass and Window Cleaner Spray. The iconic Windex remains a bestseller for a reason. Its powerful formula dissolves dirt and smudges with ease. The updated packaging prevents leaks, providing quick, reliable results every time. Millions trust it for its unbeatable streak-free shine, pleasant scent, and versatility on windows, mirrors, and more. Windex. For that sparkling clean you can see and trust.
At number 8, we have the Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner, designed specifically for clear, streak-free results on auto glass and interior surfaces. It removes tough films, oils, and residues without ammonia haze, leaving crystal-clear visibility. Favored among detailers for its professional quality and superior shine. Invisible Glass.